Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create an elevator like picture, I guess, using Gemini. I'm just going to add in a picture here, and I'm just going to paste this prompt. I will put it in the in the description box down below. And this is what it should look like at the end. It does take a few seconds to generate it, so just be patient. I've generated a lot using Gemini, and I think so far this is the best way to generate your images. And this is what it looks like, super stylish. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Again, I will put the prompt in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.